This thing is sick. Oh my gosh. What's going on, boys? It's your man Ran, back with another product review. So look what I got here. The Magic Keyboard. I didn't want to get it, but I caved in. I just bought it. Here is my 2020 iPad Pro 12.9 inch, and I've been using it for about 2 months now. I love it. I had to get the keyboard. So about my setup, I have a amFilm tempered glass screen protector on here. I love this thing. You know, I didn't go with the matte one. I've never had a matte one. I've always used the tempered glass, and I love them. I love the slick, smooth gliding across the screen. Love it. I have a case from ESR. So, you know, all these things are like 15 bucks on Amazon. You don't want to go and buy a screen protector for 50 bucks. If you're going to pay the money for something for Apple, get something that the other things can't do. So, bingo bango. This is what I got. Right? I tried my best to not get it. So, this is what I had before. I had an RK Royal mechanical keyboard. Right? And this is what I've been using here. I've been using this guy a lot. I actually really love it. Yeah, let's turn this bad boy on. Had a lot of fun with it. Instantly connects. You know, there's a lot of light up settings here. It works really awesome, but obviously you can't bring this thing with you when you want. So it serves its purpose. It's awesome. I use it a lot, and I could switch between my iPad, my phone, and then my MacBook. All right, this was my setup here. Boom, I had my keyboard. I'm gonna turn off right now. I had my stand here, right? And I have my mouse. I have the Magic Mouse too. These are all great. I have a lot of fun using them. The scroll on here is really nice, especially side scrolling. You get left and right click. This stand, any angle you want, and I love it. But where am I placing it? Right next to my desktop. Right next to my MacBook Pro. And for what? Just for the fun of it? Honestly, yes. But the iPad Pro is meant to be portable and used for its portability, because I already have a laptop that can do what my iPad can do if I'm gonna use it on my desk, right? I have a desktop. So got all these items, and I was basically just putting it right in front of my desktop computer, just having a second thing that was doing the same thing. So, you know, I wanted to kick that. And I finally gave in and just got the damn. I got it. So let's get into it, guys. It's gonna be dope. I'm excited about it. I know it's awesome. It was just expensive, and that's why I didn't want to get it. But hey, sometimes you gotta do. You know, sometimes you gotta splurge a little bit. So here we go, guys. Let's check it out. The Magic Keyboard. Let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's get it. So here we are. Oh my god, it just looks nice opening. Oh man. Just that Apple smell. Big Apple guy. I pay too much money at Apple, so whatever, right? Here we go. Wow. So this thing just looks awesome. I can't wait to touch it. Has a good amount of weight to it. It has to, because the iPad itself is pretty heavy. So if it weighed less than the iPad itself, I feel like it would tip over pretty often. Got the Magic Keyboard, and is there even anything in here? Nothing. That's it. Just the Magic Keyboard. Okay, keeping it simple and to the point. Okay. Back in the box. Yeah, I like the finish here. I mean, feels good. Here's the USB-C, right, to charge. And I think that's it. I don't think you can use it for plugging in some of your items. But either way, an awesome charging port that will free up my port so I can plug something else into it. Feels good, feels sturdy. Oh, nice click here. You hear that? Ooh. Okay, this is the angles it'll get. check it out. Magic keyboard, cool, 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 cool. No stickers. I'm a bit disappointed. I know I already have like 100 stickers, but it's the expectation, guys, you know? Let's put this bad boy back. Boom. Let's close this up. I'm done looking at this box. Okay. Get that bad boy out of the way. So, first thing I see is I'm gonna have to take my case off, which is a bummer, you know, because I'm not like a big like OtterBox guy, but I want to protect from like scrapes and scratches, little dents. You know I'm not gonna like bust it up, but screen protector, oh man, little bumper, love that. So this is already like, whatevs. So let's see. Not going to work, obviously. It works. Light magnetism. And it's not going to work because it's not touching. Okay. Now for real. Let's open this up. All right. So it does use the iPad Pro's smart connectors here, which only 2 or 3 items use. It's the Magic Keyboard, the Smart Keyboard Folio, right? And oh my gosh, like this. Right, and you could see the 3 smart connectors right here. Yeah, this feels really nice. The finish is awesome. This is really awesome. Very clicky. Love this. Love everything about it already. Full-size keyboard. The 11-inch is actually not full size. It's a little scrunched up. I saw these keys today at the Apple store. Squished up. So I'm actually pretty glad I got the 12.9-inch. This trackpad feels awesome. You get an even touch from anywhere on the trackpad, wherever you are. It's the same click. It's not like it's attached up here, and when you get lower, it feels like it's not clicking as good. No way. This thing feels great. Wow. All right, so let's go. Let's put it on. Wow. Look at that. Let's see how quick it connects. If you guys can see this here. I'm on. Let's see when I take it off. Let's see. How am I going to do this? So right now it's off. Okay, lost the connection. Ready? I'm going to put it back. 1, 2. Just like that. It's back on. Let's see. Off. I'm going to put it back. Let's see. Wow. In about like 1 second, it's right back on. It's like instantly connected because it has a hardwire connection right here. This is so awesome. Wow. So cool. Look at that. Oh man, it's so smooth. Let's go into my notes. Ooh. I wonder if you could set it to got a lot of notes. I do love GoodNotes. One of my favorite apps I use it pretty much every day for work just to take notes. Let's see, I'm gonna type something up quick. I don't know if you guys could see. Let's see how far back it goes. Not too far back, but it will go more than straight up and down. Less than straight up and down. Maybe if you're like laying on your belly or something. Pretty cool. Love this thing. So let's see. I don't know if you guys can see that from up top. My fingers are pretty close to this guy, but you only have so much room here. Let's see. Hello. It's your man Ran coming back at you with another dope product review. I just love typing on this thing already. Wow, the scissor keys feel so good. So I know everyone knows this, but there isn't that top row of function keys. I do like to have the brightness keys. I do like to have the volume keys, and the escape key is nice to have. It is nice to have. I'm not playing with the music keys or like most of the other stuff, but oh my gosh, look at that, where all your emojis go. Let's see, what do we got with our, oh, wow, you hold the Apple button. I didn't know what functions we had, it'll tell you. Wowzers. This thing, honestly guys, I've just been using it for a second, but it is super worth it. This thing is sick. Oh my gosh. This thing looks so clean. So let's see, let's look at this. Not any protection at all. None. Along the whole outside. Already have a problem with knocking this thing off. Happens to me more than I'd like to admit. Yeah, you know, not a lot of protection, but I think that's the point of having, you know, the iPad is the portability and the slickness and convenience of bringing it around. You know, the 12.9 inches already, you know, it made me question, maybe I should have got the 11 inch just for the portability, but playing with the 11 inch at the Apple store, it does get a little scrunched up for multitasking. The Magic Keyboard is a little not full size, it's not. So, you know, I'm glad I got this. You know, look at it already leaving some fingerprints over here. Okay guys, let's test out plugging this bad boy in. Let's plug this in right here. Look at that. Both of these guys are charging. I'm just kidding. Only my iPad's charging because this sucks all the life out of the iPad. So maybe I'll have a follow-up review. 2 weeks of using this guy, my thoughts, how effed up I get it, what sucks about it, if it drains the battery life. But right now, this thing feels phenomenal and I can't wait to use it. I'm gonna bring it to work and flex super hard. So, until next time, signing off, it's your man Ram. Later, boys.